Ever wondered what it's like to keep the world flying safely? Well, neither did I, until I joined FL Technics and realized there's a whole team of passionate folks obsessed with making sure every aircraft is ready to soar. With industry experts leading the way and cutting-edge technology in our hands, we push boundaries and achieve the extraordinary every day. But here's the thing, it's not just about the fancy tools. It's about the people who bring it all together. I remember my first day at FL Technics, the feeling of stepping into a place where aviation is more than just a job. It's a passion. From that moment, I knew I was part of something bigger. And not just because the hangars are massive. We're talking teamwork, ambition, competence, and progress. Those are the values we live by. But it's not all work and no play. It's about the friendships we create, the trust we build, and those milestone moments when we get to look at the aircraft and say, yep, we made it happen. Together. Every day, I'm reminded why I chose FL Technics. It's a place where I learn from the most talented people in the field, and occasionally get to show off my own skills. We push each other to do better, go further, and continue learning. Because we believe that when our people grow, the entire company thrives. We celebrate our wins together, big or small, face challenges together, and we always have each other's backs, especially when someone forgets the coffee run. So, what if your next job wasn't just about clocking in and out, but a place where you can grow and develop? Trust me, at FL Technics, your passion can truly take flight. Though, fair warning, we'll leave the actual flying to the pilots. Here, we're more than just co-workers. We're teammates, mentors, and friends, all driven by a common mission to keep the world flying. Join us at FL Technics. The rest is flight.